Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. Today, we're going to show you how to send a document in a broadcast on WhatsApp, step by step. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all our latest tutorials. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you're in, we'll get started with the next step. Step 2. Now tap on the broadcast list where you've sent messages to multiple recipients. You'll be able to access all those chats here. Step 3. Next, tap on the paperclip icon in the message input box. This will open up your attachment options. Step 4. From these options, tap on the document icon. You'll now be ready to select the file you want to send. Step 5. Here, select the document or documents you want to send by tapping on the ones you want to share. Step 6. Finally, tap on the Send button to send your selected documents to everyone in the broadcast. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.